Do you ever wonder why some emails get your undivided attention while others simply go in the trash? This is because success means more than writing some lines and sending them. Effective email marketing has a great influence. It's about creating interactions, adding merit, and keeping your audience active. Whether it is updating on the news, marketing goods, or giving special insights, email marketing lets companies contact consumers professionally. Engagement rates depend on important components such as interesting subject lines and well-timed delivery. Furthermore, dividing your audience guarantees that the appropriate people get the right message at the right time. And let's not ignore analytics. Measuring conversions, click-throughs, and open rates improves approaches for more effective results. So, it's time to increase conversions, foster consumer confidence, and keep your brand top of mind with a well-designed email campaign. Need help with your email marketing plan? Type "Power of Email Marketing" in the comment section, and I will guide you more.